right, here we go. As we there's so much going on. There's so much going on. Bryan Young for ProtinkerToys.com is here. He brought some friends. Can you introduce your friends?
It's Frankie and David are my kids. David is 10 and Frankie is 12.
Oh, my gosh.
Here's them in the slot cars, which is hot right now this Christmas. Slot cars is where it's at. We got the Scooby-Doo set here also. We also have the Tin Bird. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh, the Flying Bird.
Brian. This is,
holy cow!
We have insurance. We have insurance, Brian. It's okay.
But this is the fun stuff at ProtinkerToys.com in Wayne, Ohio. We have everything from kits, from like these are science kits for girls. We have the Tin Bird, which is basically a wind-up bird. You wind this baby up.
Okay.
And you just press that button and toss it.
Or just press it and toss it. We have a lot of high-tech equipment.
It's very like anything. I guarantee it. Yeah, it'll fly. You'll just toss it. Here you go.
Duck and cover, kids.
Duck and cover.
Oh, there it goes. Oh my gosh. Everyone's okay. Everyone is okay. No one has been harmed. Oh, they do well. They've done it before.
He just done.
All right. So, Brian, here's the cool thing. So I happened to come down to Wayne. It's been about a year or so ago.
Yes.
You got an old bank.
I bought the Huntington Bank. Yes, that's right.
And in the vault where they usually kept millions of dollars, you have thousands of these, right?
Slot car sets, yes.
And you told me then this is what drives the industry now, right?
Oh my gosh.
No pun intended. So.
No, it is. Slot cars is what's driving the industry because baby boomer dads like me and anywhere from 50 to 70-year-olds are buying slot cars because they want to do it with their grandkids and with their kids. It's just hot. And we have the largest selection of slot cars really in the U.S. I have more inventory than I know what to do with sometimes.
So we talk about what's hot for Christmas. So slot cars obviously hot. Yes. You mentioned the science kit, the bird flying through the studio. Yes. We've got toy guns. I had toy guns when I was a kid. They're still huge, right?
Oh, they're huge. These are made in Rapid City, South Dakota, and these are Magnum, and they're wooden rubber band guns. This is the Kentucky rifle from like the old Daniel Boone show.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, Daniel Boone, and this is a Kentucky rifle, and they shoot rubber band guns. We have a Winchester, a 1873 Winchester. We have just about the hottest two items in our store are toy guns and slot cars.
Really? Okay, but
it is crazy.
But that might be. You mentioned we've got those two things. What are some other things? You saw the science. What are some other things? Maybe a little.
We have Need-Do. Need-Do is great for girls. Girls love Need-Do. We have this just came in the Need-Do cat.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
It's all right. No, this is the Need-Do cat.
Oh yeah, these are basically they're squishable. You squish them. Look at this thing. It's just and it's a cat.
Oh,
look at this meow. You know what
Brian, I'm gonna give you an above shot of this here. Ready? This is what it looks like here as I go this way. Look at that. As you're squeezing its face. You're squeezing its face. No cats were harmed in this. This is fantastic.
No cats. And so we have a whole selection of Need-Do. We have these science kits for girls. This one here is like girls only. It's just a fun little activities they put together and all that kind of stuff. Plus, we have model kits. Models is really popular now. This is from the Top Gun movie, Maverick. So, and we have RC cars, plush. We just have all sorts. I mean, just about everything.
So yes, it's for the kids.
Yes.
But as you mentioned, the industry with the boomers, we're going online now, right? You can go online and you're
and you go to ProtinkerToys.com. It's very easy. ProtinkerToys.com. You log in, boom, and you can shop as long as you want.
And I remember when I was down there last time, you said that you can get anything.
I can get anything.
Looking for so I grew up. I'm not a little younger than a boomer. I'm a child of a boomer, right? But G.I. Joe was huge back when I was.
It's not G.I. Joe. Hasbro is considering bringing G.I. Joe back.
Okay.
But that is an older toy, and they're not making it current. But Hasbro is considering bringing back G.I. Joe.
But if I said, hey, Brian, I'm looking for the G.I. Joe, blah, blah, blah.
I could do some research, and I could probably get it.
That's how good he is. That's how good
he is. And this is ProtinkerToys.com. ProtinkerToys.com. Oh, hey, I got something for you, too, by the way.
For me?
Yes, just for you.
Okay.
Here is a picture.
Oh, a picture.
This is a picture of me. Okay, and I'm going to give this to you.
Oh, great.
This is my picture, and normally I have.
You're going to autograph it?
I'm going to autograph it. Normally I bring my pens, but that's
okay.
I normally sign it and put "Be happy." And I have people all over the country that will place orders with us, and they want my picture in the
I wish this happened to me when people watch the show, Brian. I don't get that as much. Here, we're going to show this to Brian up on the above camera to show how fun that looks. Look at that. How'd you like to wake up to that every day? Good morning. Oh, well, Brian. Thank you so much for bringing this. Thank you, fellas. Thank you so much. You didn't have school today, right? There's no school.
No school today. And David just loved to be here, and Frankie.
And you can get different slot cars. Like you can get a General Lee.
Oh, we have every kind of slot car you can possibly, every car you can possibly imagine.
And I see the Batmobile over there with the
Batmobile.
We're going to throw this one more time.
We're going to do this one more time here.
Bryan Unveils,
ProtinkerToys.com. ProtinkerToys.com.
How much coffee do you drink a day, Brian?
I don't drink any coffee because if I did, I'd be higher than that bird.
Rebecca, back to you.